is adobo.
Adobo. Nice.
Nice.
I have a problem.
Missy, please don't have problem.
That what I'm doing is not good. What you can say about it?
This month they are fasting.
Oh guys, this is day 8. Hello sa mga kababayan ko dyan. Guys, may nag-comment pala. Sabi niya, lagyan ko daw ng energy para daw dumami yung views ko. So, I will be hyper today guys. I will put energy! Guys, sa kasalukuyan, tayo po ay mag-aalmusal. Tingnan po natin kung meron po tayong kakaining almusal. Tara po! Tara! Ayan po ang niluto ni Lojang with some egg and with some tomato. Guys, kain tayo! Guys, I'm done with my breakfast. I just want to say it's super califragilistic. It's really delicious. It's fantastic. Guys, I forgot I need to speak English. I have problem with the editing, so forgive me about my English. My English no good. So first, we will just fill our fuel because it's almost empty. And then we'll go direct to the site. So, acha, let's go! Guys, pickup is back! So, it's already maintained. So, we paid $8,000 is for the maintenance. It's cheap or it's expensive. Guys, habang nagpapagas ako, kakantahan ko muna kayo para ito sa mga tao na natatakot magkamali. Guys, we are just all humans. And we can make mistakes. We are not perfect. Parinig naman ng rap mo, sample naman dyan. Ang ganda naman ng cap mo, arbor na lang yan. Ang yabang mo naman, wala ka ba na kantang bago? Bakit wala kang talent? Takot ka bang matalo? Ha? Paulit-ulit ang tanong ng mga tao. Huwag sanang sigurado. Mali ba na magkamali ang isang tulad ko? Ako ay tao lang din naman na tulad mo. Ano bang dapat na gawin? Dapat bang kamuhian? O dapat ba natularan ng santulad mo na tao lang? Guys, hanggang dyan na lang po muna ang ating singing contest. So, patapos na si Tropa. I will just ask Trisit and then I will go. Guys, sa mga makakapanood po, for those people who watch this, pamilya ko po, sa mga kakilala ko po, sa mga nakakakilala po sa akin, sa makakapanood po ng video na to, huwag niyo po akong itatakwil pagkatapos. Huwag niyo po akong ikakahiya na kumanta po ako ng rap and para lang akong tumutula. Patawarin niyo po ako. At salamat po sa inyo pong pangunawa. Here in the site, it's a bit windy and cold. Weather is good. Mga tropa ko, kakausapin natin si Papi. Kakausapin natin ng ibang accent ng English. Mangungutang tayo, guys. Papi!
Yes, ma'am, Mrs.
Papi, good morning!
Yes, ma'am, Mrs. Alhamdulillah, ma'am. Yeah.
Please greet the people.
Yeah. Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum salam. Barka barka. Numbara. Hello, how are you? Fine. This is my missus. This is my boss. It's my boss.
Papi!
Yes, my missus.
Papi, I have a problem.
Ma?
I have a problem.
Mrs. Please don't have problem. You don't have problem, Mrs.
Papi!
Yes, ma.
I'm broke.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah, it's true. Yes, ma.
Papi, I'm broke.
Yes, it's true, ma. It's true. Yes,
Would you mind if I will borrow money from you?
Mrs. Me, I don't have money. Mrs. You don't borrow me. You are the boss. Mrs.
Papi.
Yes, ma, Mrs.
Boss, no money.
Mrs. What's no money? Yeah, Mrs. No, anyway, the month is finished now. That's why boss no money. But me, I not believe boss. I know boss is not true there. Boss, you have money. Boss, you have money.
Pape,
Yes, ma'am, Mrs.
it's not true, Pape.
Oh.
No money.
Boss, if he say you not have money, boss, we are the workers who cannot believe boss. Billahi. We cannot believe because you have it. You are the boss. You that borrow money. You say you not have. Boss, we
Pape.
don't. Yes, ma'am.
Pape, what are you doing?
Boss, you know, I'm watering the garden all here to the around the machine. I'm there for watering the machine.
Pape is gardener?
Ma, I'm watering.
Okay, Pape.
Yes, ma'am, Mrs.
Barka, barka, Pape.
Yes, ma'am, Mrs. Barka, barka, oh, barka, barka. Numbara, Baby J. Thank you, ma.
Thank you, Pape.
Yes, ma'am, Mrs. Barka.
Few moments later.
Guys, I'm going now. Guys, kita niyo yung puno ng mangga. Malapit na yung season ng mangga dito, guys. Kaso yung puno ng mangga nila dito, guys, apple mango ba? Yung bang mangga na lasang gamot.
Guys, I'm here in the house. I don't know if we have food or I will cook or I will eat. I don't know what I will do. Let's go.
Auntie! My beautiful auntie. Auntie! Nangadef!
Yamare, kumusta?
Kamusta guys? So auntie, there's one who commented that what I'm doing is not good. That last video when I'm feeding the small kids, she or he is saying that what I'm doing is not good. What you can say about it?
This month they are fasting, eh? This month they didn't miss the fast. They are small guy. The
Yeah.
family also, they are the one who allowed you to cook there.
Yeah.
You don't have problem for that.
So guys, I'm safe. The family gave me the consent to cook. You know, before I will cook na, we are talking about it, right? Like, you know, some other kids na they are fasting. And then the other kids, they're not fasting. So like, we are talking if I can cook there or not, right? But they allowed me not to cook for the small kids. Right, auntie?
Yes, we don't have that problem.
Yeah. So, Auntie Myram is safe, ah?
Yes. Even last time I tell Anta tell me that, hey, the small kid, they are not fasting.
Yeah.
Yes, I asked Anta. She tell me that.
You know, we can tell the people again now what is the age of those small kids. They are 4, they are 3, right? So that is their age, guys. So they are not doing fasting. They are not capable yet to do that. So, but I will take someone's advice that not to show some other kids who are doing fasting, na that these kids are eating. You know na they're doing fasting, they will feel temptation na. You see, last time they want to cut their fasting
Yes.
because they want to eat food. So like what we will do, we will stay away from them na when we are feeding Jaja, Ira, and other kids.
No,
So they will not see.
you know that the Anta is not there, that's why. But if Anta is there, so we not allow you to come there. So they will still send them. So we tell them go inside.
Yeah. So the next time, guys, we will do that. So thank you, Auntie. Thank you for clearing this thing to the people. So at least Auntie Myram is safe. And people will not think that I'm not doing good.
Auntie Myram is part of our family now. Auntie Myram, we don't have that problem. It's our family
Yeah.
members now. Yes.
Even Mama, she has the blessing na.
Yes. Even my mother-in-law and us, that one she don't even have problem.
Yeah.
If she that day she see Auntie Myram, she tell this monkey, I said, go and greet Auntie Myram. Auntie Myram will cook today. I said, go.
Okay, dire Jeff Auntie. Auntie is very beautiful as Tila, even she's not eating and drinking. Auntie, how's the Ramadan going on?
It's not difficult yet. They know that now it's school. But
Yeah.
after maybe if we have 20 days, if the hotness come,
Yeah.
that once I will not talk with you. So if I see it, I will do my hand like this.
Guys, yeah, the weather lately it's still good. So Auntie is saying it's somehow better. Their fasting and this Ramadan is better. But when the hotness came,
Yes, if you call me, I will,
when it's very hot, then Auntie will not talk to me then.
I will do my hand like this.
Just do like this.
You understand?
So okay guys, I hope it's clear for all of us. Jeff.
Wow.
Auntie. Auntie is very beautiful. Yeah. Cover your face then. It's what you call that? It's hot. It's beautiful, Auntie. Wow. Okay, take care. Bye-bye. Guys, pabalik na tayo ng site. Guys, kaya niya. Tinry ko na yung ganyan na yung magsunog sa ulo pero hindi ko kaya. Guys, sobrang init talaga. Guys, nasa site na tayo.
Few moments later.
Guys, ako na lang yung natira, di ba nga maaga silang umuwi.
Guys, pabalik na tayo ng bahay. Guys, John Conte will take this. What you will do?
You see this one? I want to go and make furniture, tables, and
So you can earn more money, ah?
yeah.
Guys, did you see that? My workers, they are like this. If they see something that they can, you know, those scraps. If they see some scraps that they can earn money, they will take it. And especially these woods, they will make table, chair, and then they will sell it. So from there, they can earn extra money. Guys, nasa bahay na tayo. So, magluluto pala akong adobong manok, guys. I will try kung mabibigyan ba nila tayo ng review about sa adobong Pinoy. Guys, bawang. Layman, Mr. Layman.
Oh! Let's go.
Bula? Rojang, good ah?
Good. Nice.
Nice. This is adobo.
Adobo. Nice.
Nice.
Hmm.
Siya ni. Guys, niluto nila ujang yan, no? Stir fry lang. This one, Chinese style din siya, guys. Ginagaya ko lang yung ginagawa nung cook namin ni Uncle. And then this one is Filipino food. Almost done, guys. Our one colleague is not around, but I'll just eat this one. I will leave some for him so he can taste it. So guys, tapos na tayong mag-dinner. Nakakatuwa naman kasi nagustuhan nila yung adobo natin. Nakaka-proud lang kasi kahit saan natin ipatikim yung adobo natin, they are saying it's delicious, it's nice. Guys pala, 1 week na ako sa daily vlogging challenge ko. So, share ko lang sa inyo yung personal experience ko na hindi pala siya ganun kadali. Talagang parang ang hirap naman kasi yung paulit-ulit lang na ginagawa eh. Mahirap din pala yun talaga. Pero nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo guys na yun nga, naghihintay kayo. Talagang pinapanood nyo yung videos ko kahit na araw-araw pa siya. Siguro na-overwhelm kayo kasi nga before, ang upload ko ay twice a week lang or thrice a week. Minsan nga, once a week lang eh. Pero ngayon, araw-araw. Nawa guys, di kayo magsawa. I will try guys na matapos yung 30 days. And I really need your support for that. And I really appreciate po yung mga solid supporters ko dyan. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sa mga nagko-comment po, nagla-like, nag-share, maraming salamat po. Na-appreciate ko po kayong lahat. And I'm praying na God will bless you too. God will bless you even more. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Guys, aware naman po tayo na marami pong vloggers dito sa Africa, no? From Equatorial Guinea, from Ghana, from Mozambique, from Senegal, from South Africa, and from South Sudan. And lately lang po namin nalaman na meron din po pala sa South Africa and sa Senegal. So, pa-support din po si Ate Vivian Casey and si Pinoy in Africa from Senegal. Please support each one of us. Maraming salamat po.
I'm doing walking with the dogs. See them. They want to be free. Kai. Oh. Guys, napagod ako. Guys, sobrang saya ng mga aso kapag nilalabas sila eh, no? Si. Ah. So, that's all for today, guys. Always remember, don't forget that you're amazing. Bye-bye.